Hey there, this is how to easily fix a cigarette lighter or a 12-volt power outlet on a Mazda 3. So if your outlet doesn't work and it's not powering up, there's an easy solution to fix this problem, and I'll show you how to do it quickly right now. So what you're going to look for near your foot here is this panel that has the fuses. So on the side there's a little hole where you stick your finger in and you can pull open this fuse box. This is right near where your pedals are, next to where your left foot would be on the driver's side. So right here is the fuse box. And there's a couple of fuses in here. So you're looking for the fourth fuse here that's right under the 20 volt fuse. That one right there is the one you want to take out and replace with a new fuse. In order to do this, first you need to pop open your hood like this with this little lever here. Pull it back and you'll pop open your hood, and then we'll go inside the hood and get the fuse. So what you need to do here is pull up the hood a little bit here, and there'll be a little lever. You push it to the right, and then you pull up your hood here, and you put your rod here, pull that up and put it into your hood so the hood doesn't fall down on your head. And on the right side here, you'll be looking for this box here. There's clips on the bottom and top side. So you pull the clips, pinch them towards the box, open it up, and in here, there's some spare fuses. So it comes with a little tool here, a pincher tool. So you take this tool out here, and then you take your spare fuse here, and you can use it to replace the broken fuse. So if you don't have that spare fuse there, what I've done here is I've added a link below this video in the description box for Amazon, so you can get the fuse for yourself for cheap. So you take the new fuse, put it in this fourth slot here, and then once you put the fuse in there, first you take the old one out, then you put the new fuse in, and then you need to close up this fuse panel again and test to make sure that your cigarette lighter or your 12-volt power outlet starts to work again. It's usually that simple. So if you enjoyed this how-to video, please consider liking and subscribing for more how-to videos.